Hi friends, in this video we will learn about the first All India mock test that we at GATE Applied Roots are conducting on this Sunday, which is the 24th of October between 3 to 6 p.m. and this is for GATE Computer Science. Again, since this is an All India mock test, this is open to everyone to participate in. All of our course enrolled students, our test series enrolled students and even outsiders can participate in this mock test. Since this mock test is open to all you need to do is just go to our website. We'll provide all the links in the description section of this video. You just need to sign up and log in. Just to give you a context, last year approximately about 3,000 students have participated in these All India mock tests, and participating in them will give you a good sense of where you stand with respect to the competition. Just as a gentle reminder, the examination is on the coming Sunday, which is the 24th of October between 3 and 6 p.m. Please make a note of this time. You might want to set a calendar invite so that you do not miss it. The purpose of this All India mock test is for you to experience a full-length GATE exam. Again, this will help you, given that you're competing with a lot of serious students who are preparing for GATE, it will help you understand where you stand. So irrespective of where you are with respect to your preparation or revision, we strongly recommend that you participate in this so that you understand where you are with respect to the competition. It will also help you to understand what are the areas that you need to improve and how to make the most out of the next few months that you have before the actual GATE examination. We have seen a lot of students who participated in these mock tests last year benefit enormously so that they could go back and strategize better on how to make most out of the next few months of their preparation. Now, all you have to do is we'll give you the whole link. We'll give you this URL in the description section. The first point is go to this. If you're not already a signed up student, just go and register here. Fill in your email address, phone number, etc. Just register here. Once you register or sign up, please log in using the same credentials. On the exam day itself, we recommend that you sign in a few minutes before the examination. Now, there is a timer that's available here, which tells you how many hours and minutes are there before the examination starts. Once this countdown comes to 0, there will be a button here which says take test. All you need to do is click on this, right? So once you do that, you'll be taken to a full screen window. So you'll get a full screen window like this, where there will be this whole page with all the instructions, with all the details about the examination itself. So you can scroll through this, read about all of them, just verify that your name and email address are correctly printed here. Once you're done with that, you can just press the next button. Obviously, this is a demo mock test link that I'm showing you. In the actual examination itself, it will say All India mock test for GATE 2022. It will clearly say that, right? So just click on the next link here. It will take you to one more page, which are CS paper specific guidelines. Once you read all of these, you can just tick this button which says I understand the terms and conditions, and then you can say I'm ready to begin the examination. Okay, just click. Very simple steps here. Once you do that, you get a page like this, right? So this page is designed based on the actual GATE examination itself. So you will encounter a very similar UI in the actual examination also. So let me explain some of the components of this. You can read the question based on whether the question is MCQ or MSQ. You can answer the question. And once you're done, if you're sure you don't want to mark it, just click on save and next, it will go to the next question. A very simple to follow UI. We are just giving you this overview so that there are no surprises for you at the last minute. Okay. So again, there will be some questions like this, which are numerical answer type, right? So if this question is a numerical answer type, it says you'll be awarded 1 mark for correct answer, 0 marks for negative answer. And whenever there is a numerical blank here, you'll also get a text box type of thing here. So the moment you click on this, you will get this numeric pad. Again, you have to enter. Suppose you imagine if the answer is 2.56. Let's just say the answer is 2.56. Then the moment you click on this, it will open up this numerical pad and you press 2.56. Right? That's how you press it and then you go to the next question. So NATs are to be answered in this fashion. Cool. Again, please understand that this examination is for your self-evaluation only. Look at it as a learning opportunity, where you learn where to focus your energies and what topics you're lacking in and how to make the most out of the next few months of your preparation and revision. Most importantly, don't panic. Please keep your cool. This is not the actual examination. Again, participating in such examinations will help you design a strategy for yourself. And also it will help you keep your cool. Give your best, don't worry about the results. At the end of the examination itself, once you have 5 minutes left, you'll be shown a pop-up which says you have 5 more minutes left to complete the examination. Once the examination is over, please click on the submit button. We have seen the submit button a while ago, right? Once the examination is over, please click on the submit button here because the examination would be completed. Please don't forget to click on it because once you click on the submit button, we make sure that everything is submitted to our servers and nothing is missed. So again, this examination can be taken only at the scheduled time, which is the coming Sunday between 3 to 6 p.m. Please, once again, I'm requesting you not to miss the test. It's a great opportunity to experience the actual examination and to self-evaluate yourself. If you miss the test, you will not be able to take the test for 30 days. After 30 days, the test will again be active. And again, the reason for this is to encourage more and more students to take the examination at the scheduled time. If you're a course enrolled student, don't worry because there are 28 other full length tests for you to practice on. Again, this test will be active and you can retake this test only after 30 days. But don't even consider this option. Please try and take the test at the scheduled time to make sure that you have an experience and you know where you stand. In this All India mock test, there are also prizes for the toppers. You can find all the information about that by going to the actual examination website itself. We will also provide this link in the description section of this video. Please share this information with your friends whom you think will benefit from this free mock test because it is open to all. Everybody can participate and understand where they stand and how to improve. Again, all the very best. Most importantly, keep your cool, give your best. Use this as a learning opportunity. See you on the coming Sunday.